What I'm about to tell you today might just blow your minds away. Because, today I'm going to reveal a few facts and traits that surprisingly women find attractive in bad guys. A bad guy is the one who has women around him, might not be all the time, but most of the time. You might have wondered quite a few times about how women find these arrogant and dashing men attractive. Today in this video, I'm gonna reveal a few facts. Keep watching till the very end, and if you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button below. This is my website, where I clearly explain dating tips, career aspects, self-improvement, motivation, and grooming tips just for men. Where I explain everything in detail. Go check it out. Links are available in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1, smoking and drinking. Yeah, I can understand how you feel right now. I also felt it surprising, as you did right now. It was proven in a recent study in Belgium, that women find physically harmful activities really attractive in men. Yes, men who are alcoholics and into smoking make women feel attracted to them. Even men know how harmful smoking and drinking are injurious to health. Even women do, but they don't care. We can see just a few women who hate such things. Most women find alcoholic men really attractive than smoking. But we all know both drinking and alcohol on a limit is not gonna be a huge problem. It's gonna be really attractive when we consume them on a limit and are completely in control. Number 2, bad boys make women feel secure. This is another big thing, which most men think is not true. But in fact, it is. Women surprisingly feel more secure in a bad boy's company. Typically a bad boy has a carefree, risk-taking mentality. This is why women feel like a bad boy can take any risk to protect them from any situation. This carefree, risking mentality is what makes women go crazy for them. They feel that a bad boy can go against the world to any extent. This character is what women subconsciously love the most. That's it for today. With that being said, thank you for watching.